Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can update your Netflix app, so let's get right into it. Now, if you are using Netflix on the PC, on the browser like I am currently, then there is no need for you to update the browser, or the app rather. You could only update your browser if that is required, but I'm pretty sure it wouldn't be, so you don't need to do anything on the PC. Now, for other platforms, mainly for iOS platforms such as Apple TV or iOS, on Apple TV, you need to go to the App Store and then go into Purchased and then select the Netflix app and click Update from there. Whereas for the iOS phones, what you need to do is go to the App Store, then type in Netflix into the search bar, find the application, and then update it from there. It is very simple, as you can probably guess. And on Android, I'm pretty sure you don't need to do anything since most Android phones nowadays do have integrated Netflix into their systems. However, if you want to, you can also go to the Play Store and search for Netflix and update it if it needs to be updated. However, I'm pretty sure it does that automatically, so you're pretty much good to go. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.